Hi, welcome to my channel. In case you didn't know, my name is Cinema and welcome to Cinema Diaries. So I'm actually searching for a house and this is actually the living area. I love how spacious it is. I love the big windows. I love the open kitchen. Basically, I think I love everything about this setup. Tell me what you think. So it's not yet done, but it's almost done. Yeah, so on to the guest bedroom. So that's the washroom. That's the washroom and terrain. So here is the first bedroom. I love the big walls, enough lighting. And as a content picture, this comes first. Yeah, so that's basically it. And then to the second. So this is actually an SQ. It's not yet done, but almost. Yeah. So when you come in, it's quite manageable. It's sizable. So that's the kitchen area, that's the corner, and then this is the bathroom area. Yeah, it's good, walkable, right? Yep. So that's supposed to be some sink there, so that's supposed to be like a kitchen area. It's not yet finished, but it's almost. So we're going upstairs. Upstairs has 4 bedrooms. It has 3 bedrooms. Yep. Big windows. Big windows are my all-time favorites because of enough lighting. So on to the first bedroom. Wardrobes, they are big enough, they're spacious enough, and then again big and large windows for adequate light, and it's spacious, I must say, and that's me. So now this is the balcony. This is actually the view, not the best view ever, but I don't mind. Onto the washroom area, like the bathroom. So it has that cubicle there going on, and then the sink, and then the area where all the work goes to. Tell me what you think. Let me know your favorite room so far. And then now on to the second bedroom. It's more or less the same as the other one. So we have a cubicle there, we have that area there, and then we have the sink there. So that's actually the same, but it's not, the wardrobe is not as big as the other bedroom. Yeah, so that's just it. Oh, and it actually has one window. So on to my favorite. This is the master bedroom, and here, so you can shower anyhow you want. So that's the cubicle area. We have a bathtub and we have a sink over there. Yeah. So that is me, of course. Storage. You guys, this is my favorite so far. It is my favorite. And now here is this is supposed to be the balcony, but it's not yet ready. It's still under construction. It will be ready soon, and that's now my view from my bedroom. Most of the houses are occupied. still resting. Window, door to where this place is not yet finished. And yeah, I love this house. I love this house so much. So let's see. Let's negotiate. Yeah.